Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the side-by-side makeup trend on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste the photo first, then I'm going to select this one. I'm going to go to enhance and I am going to select makeup, and I'm going to select a makeup look that I want to apply on the photo. Let me just see which one, like this one for instance, on the first one. And on the second one, I'm going to then go to makeup and I'm going to add like a really different one, like this one for instance. And I'm just going to add in more lipstick, like this maybe, or this one. Then I'm going to add it on top of each other, and then I'm going to select mask and I'm going to select the horizontal one, and I'm just going to do that. You can either do it like diagonally as well, so that you can like see kind of like the difference. If you want, you can like put a line in between these two. So go to library and go to the white stock video or photo here, and I'm just going to select the mirror one and I'm just going to rotate it, and I'm going to kind of create a like line, and I'm going to like part it kind of like in the middle, and just going to try to make it super thin as well, like so. And you have like these two different makeups on you. It's a little bit better if it's just like halfway like this, but because since she's like kind of like sideways, I mean like her face is like not looking towards the camera that much. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.